Okay guys, so we've got a really cool video coming out here soon. It's going to be the 5 easiest steps to success. And as we're going through and detailing this really good video, step 3 is talking about building an A+ team. And as we're digging into this and trying to put together the fundamentals about it for you, we couldn't help but acknowledge the role that technology plays on your team. Okay, so our team heavily consists of many different technological advantages that, had you told me 5 years ago, we would be relying on in order to expect in excess of $6 million worth of revenues from various income streams over just the next 12 months, I would have never believed you. Part of my weakness includes being bad with technology. Okay, yes, I love all the latest gadgets as much as anybody else. I think it's a ton of fun, but I don't know what I'm doing. Just like I hardly know what I'm doing on a computer. And yet, technology is something that without, I'm not sure we would even have a business anymore. So what I want to do is start to break a new series into something like 15+ episodes of where technology can serve you proactively in order to build your financial plan. Right, as you're talking about finances and you're talking about maximizing cash flow, you cannot ignore technology effectively and accomplish anywhere near your potential. So what we're going to start to do is outline for you some of the ways that even as a total beginner, you can begin utilizing technology and fight through the discomfort, begin gaining confidence through simple competence of the subject. So whether it be social media related, whether it be hiring and delegating related, whether it be software or website-based conversations, whether it be maximizing income and minimizing expenses, or whether it be maximizing your time and minimizing the wasted use of time on tasks that could be automated. We're going to talk about all of these different things in this brand new series, and it will affect all of you, whether you're a brand new beginner or just simply struggle with technology like me, or you're more advanced and you're gifted naturally when it comes to technology and general understanding of it. It's here to serve everybody. This is going to be one of the most exciting, fun series that we've created. So be on the lookout for that in the coming weeks. We're going to be trying to launch a couple of those recordings throughout every month, and we're going to start to break this down because there are more resources than ever before, and there are more millionaires being made every day than there have ever been. So we have all of this right at our fingertips, right? Just like these mobile devices here. And Gary Vaynerchuk talks about it all the time. Look, if you're not finding a way to convert your knowledge and your wealth into something like this, then you're missing the boat. And I want to be playing a successful role in your ability to rely on technology in a way that transforms your financial future. So we'll look forward to seeing you on that series. Until then, make it a great day today and take care.